Standard 11th, which is Mathematics, exercise 1.3. Second question, third subdivision. 2x minus z is equal to 0. 5x plus y is equal to 4. Y plus 3z is equal to 5. So, the given system can be written as, so we'll have to write the matrix format from this equation. So here the coefficient of x you will have to take it, y you will have to take it, and z you will have to take it. So the coefficient of x is 2, y is not there, so we will put 0, z is minus 1. For the same thing for the second equation also. So coefficient of x is 5, y is 1, z is not given, so it is 0. For third equation, coefficient of x is not given, so we just put 0, y is 1 and z is 3. So this will form a 3 by 3 matrices. And next is we'll have to write the variables, that is x, y and z will be there. So that in your column wise, that is equal to your constants. So 0, 4, 5. So A, x is equal to b. So from here we'll have to find x is equal to A inverse b. So A you will have to take it towards the right hand side. So A, if you are bringing that side, it will become A inverse. Then this B will be there as it is. So A inverse B. Where we will declare what is your A first. A is equal to your matrices, 3 by 3 matrices. 2, 0, minus 1. 5, 1, 0. 0, 1, 3. Then X is equal to X, Y, Z. And your B is equal to 0, 4, 5. A inverse we will have to find it. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is the formula for your A inverse. So from here itself we can understand determinant of A is needed and adjoint of A is needed. So first we will go to determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to, for this matrices A, you will have to find your determinant. So before that you have got a format, it is plus, minus and plus. So this format you will have to use it here. So write 2 first. Then the minor of 2 you will have to take it. So minor of 2 is removing the column and the row. So the left out term will be 1, 0, 1, 3. So it is 1, 0, 1, 3. Then inside this minus, 0 is there. Open your bracket. The minor of 0 has to be found out. So removing the same column and the row, you will get it as 5, 0, 0, 3. So 5, 0, 0, 3. Then plus, you got minus 1, so write minus 1. Open your bracket. The minor of minus 1 has to be written. So removing the column and the row, you will get it as 5, 1, 0, 1. So 5, 1, 0, 1. So 2 into 1 into 3 you will get 3. Minus from your format, 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 0 into 5 3s are 15. Minus 0. Then this will become plus into minus, minus 5 1s are 5, minus 0. So that is equal to 2 into 3 minus 0 into 15 minus 1 into 5. So that is equal to 2 3s are 6, minus is 0, then minus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, you can declare as A inverse exists. So next, to find A inverse, you need adjoint of A. We have got determinant of A. We need adjoint of A. To find adjoint of A, we need Aij first of all. That is a cofactor. So cofactor Aij is, just put a big bracket. So with A, you will have to find the cofactor. Okay. So first is 2. Before that, the format is there: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this format we will use it here to find the cofactor, to insert the symbols over there. So first is plus. So 2 is there. So just open your bracket. The minor of 2 has to be found out. So removing the row and the column, you will get it as 1 0 1 3. So 1 0 1 3. Then put minus, open your bracket. The minor of 0 has to be found out. So removing the column and the row, you will get it as 5 0 0 3. So it is 5 0 0 3. Then plus is there, so just open your bracket. The minor of minus 1 has to be found out. So removing the regarding row and the column, you will get it as 5 1 0 1. So it is 5 1 0 1. Second row, minus is there, so insert minus, then open your bracket. The minor of 5 has to be found out. So removing the column and the row, you will get it as 0 minus 1 1 3. So 0 minus 1 1 3. Then plus from here, so just open your bracket. The minor of 1 has to be found out. So removing the second row and the second column, you will get it as 2 minus 1 0 3. So 2 minus 1 0 3. Then minus is there, so insert your minus, open your bracket. The minor of 0 has to be found out. So removing the second row, third column, you will get it as 2 0 0 1. So 2 0 0 1. Third row, plus is there, so just open your bracket. The minor of 0 has to be found out. So first column, third row has to be removed. So you get 0 minus 1 1 0. So 0 minus 1 1 0. Then minus is here. So insert your minus, open your bracket. The minor of 1 has to be found out. So removing the second column, third row, you will get it as 2 minus 1 5 0. So 2 minus 1 5 0. The last element plus is there. So just open your bracket. The minor of 3 has to be found out. So removing the row and the column, so you will get it as 2 0 5 1. So 2 0 5 1. Solving. 1 into 3 is 3 minus 1 into 0 0. Then minus, open your bracket. 5 3s are 15 minus, this is 0. Then open your bracket. 5 1s are 5 minus 0 1s are 0. Then minus, open your bracket. 0 3s are 0. Minus is there, so inbuilt minus. Minus and minus will become plus. 1 1s are 1. Again open your bracket. 2 3s are 6. This is 0 into minus 1 is 0. Then minus, open your bracket. 2 1s are 2 minus 0. This is 0. Then third row, 0 minus, so minus and minus will become plus. 1 1s are 1. Then this minus is there. 2 zeros are 0. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, but minus will be there inbuilt. Minus and minus will become plus. So plus 5. Then 2 1s are 2. This is minus 0. So equal to 3 minus 0 is 3. This is minus 15. This is 5. 1 with minus, so minus 1. 6 minus 2. This is 1 minus 5 and 2. So we'll have to find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equal to Aij the whole transpose. So this is only Aij. That is equal to Aij transpose. So transpose is nothing but converting your rows to column, otherwise columns to row. So we'll convert the row to column here. So 3 minus 5 minus 15, 5 is there. So 3 minus 15, 5. Second row, minus 1, 6 minus 2, minus 1, 6 minus 2. Second column it will become 1 minus 5, 2. So 1 minus 5, 2. So that will become third column. So this is your adjoint of A. You have to find A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A, that answer is 1 into your adjoint of A, we have got it here. So it is 3 minus 1, 1 minus 15, 6 minus 5, then 5 minus 2, 2. So this is your A inverse. Now we will have to find x. X is equal to A inverse B. So just substitute this A inverse here. 1 by 1 is there, so you can leave it. So 3 minus 1, 1. Minus 15, 6 minus 5. 5 minus 2, 2. Into your B is 0, 4, 5. So beginning of the sum it will be there. So it is 0, 4, 5. Now we will have to go to your normal matrix multiplication. First row in this column. So 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 1 into 5 is plus 5. Then second row the same column. Minus 15 into 0 is 0. 6 4s are 24 with plus. Minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. Third row the same column. 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. 2 5s are 10. Plus 10. So now solving. Minus 4 plus 5 is 1. 24 minus 25 is minus 1. Minus 8 plus 10 is 2. So your capital X only we have found it. So it is small x, y and z. So we can declare the values of x, y and z this answer. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 2. So this is the answer for your second question, third subdivision.